Hey cold weather fans, I've seen some other people on YouTube doing cold start videos, so I figured I'd go ahead and do my first ones for 2014. Let's go ahead and start with the 2012 Scion XB. Tonight's a good night for it, it's really cold. $35. Computer said 34, so I don't know which one's right. Started right up with no problem. Let's go ahead and let this run. And we'll walk over and start the 95 Astro. And the Astro started up too with no problem. But there you go. That's the first cold starts of 2014 for Maxxtruck9906, the 95 Astro, and the 2012 XB. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.